Hi everyone, I am Dali, owner of an Etsy shop named Dali's Creative Planners, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my movie planner Excel file, a complete tool that will help you stay organized and stress-free during your move. This planner contains 5 different tabs, each one focus on a different part of the moving process. Now let's go through them one by one. On the first tab, we have a packing list divided in 4 tables: kitchen, pantry, bedroom and bathroom. Each table contains following columns: item, what you need to pack, purchased, a drop-down menu with yes or no to check whether you already own the item or still need to buy it, cost, where you enter how much the item cost, packed, a checkbox to mark once the item is ready. When you check the packed box, the entire rows gets crossed out and highlighted so you can instantly see what's done. At the left corner you can set your moving date and the planner will automatically calculate the days until move. Then we have a total cost table that sums up expenses for each room and gives you overall moving cost, packing progress chart that shows how much you packed per room, and finally there is a section to write down your old address and your new address so everything is kept in one place. And the second tab is the moving inventory checklist. Just like before, we have tables for kitchen, pantry, bedroom and bathroom, but this time the focus is on tracking your boxes. Each table has item, what's being packed, box, the number of the box where the item is stored, packed, a checkbox that highlights the row in yellow once the item is packed, and arrived, another checkbox that highlights the row in pink and cross it out once the item has arrived at your new home. This makes it super easy to track your belongings and make sure nothing gets lost during the move. Next, we have the disposal tracker tab, perfect for the decluttering before you move. Here's how it works. We have item, the thing you want to dispose of, category such as furniture, clothes, electronics and so on, conditional, drop-down menu with options new, like new, good, fair and poor, disposal method, another drop-down, donate, sell, recycle or trash, price, if you're selling the item you can track its value, status, checkbox that once ticket cross out and highlights the row. On top of that there are useful charts. First one have total price, the value of all items listed, total sold showing how much money you've earned from sales, and another charts disposal versus undisposal charts comparing items already taken care of versus those still pending. Like we see, this tab not only helps you declutter but also shows how much value you're recovering from unwanted items. Now let's check tab moving company. This tab helps you organize and track your moving companies you are considering. And here's how it works. We have columns: company name, enter the name of the moving company, contact person, who is your main contact there, phone number, their direct phone number, email address, email for communication, website, link to their site, status, drop-down menu with options: contacted, discussing, not hired, hire, checkbox, when you check this box, the entire row get highlighted and crossed out, meaning you hired this company. Total cost, the full price the company charges. Deposit, the amount you already paid. Due, calculated automatically as total cost minus deposit. Then we have about the total cost column. You'll see the sum of all hired companies' cost. About the deposit column, you'll see the sum of deposit for hired companies. About the due column, you'll see the sum of remaining balances you still need to pay. Then we have a total balance field. This field shows a combined summary of all total cost, deposit and due for all companies you take in consideration. Whenever you add or charge values, it updates automatically. Like we see, this tab gives you a clear financial overview of your moving company options. You'll instantly know how much you owe, how much you already paid, and total cost of your move. And finally, the moving task list tab, your step-by-step checklist to stay on top of every moving task. The tab is divided into 4 tables: moving day, 1 day before move, 1 week before move, and 1 month before move. Each table contains task, what needs to be done, priority, a drop-down with high, medium or low, assign, a drop-down list of the names which are pulled from a separate assigned list table, and the done checkbox that once ticket highlights and cross out the row. At the top you also have the moving data and the day until move, so you can keep track of deadlines. This table is perfect project manager tool to make sure everything is done on time and no task gets forgotten. And that's the full overview of the moving planner Excel file. With these 5 tabs: the packing list, moving inventory checklist, disposal tracker, moving company tracker, and moving task list, you'll have everything you need to stay organized, save time, and reduce stress during your move. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your move.